How to fix WePlay app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. To check that, launch your settings. Now, enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then toggle it off. Then click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, check if there is any update for WePlay app. Launch your App Store or Play Store, then type in the app name and search for it. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be fixed. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Also, make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Now, find the app WePlay. After you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up, click on Delete for the confirmation. Once you delete this app, close this, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app and then download it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix WePlay app not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.